Hey guys, all right, here we are with our second video. So today we will be discussing the order of operations. First thing, I'd like you to copy down the objective in your journals. I'll give you a minute to do that. Don't forget, you can also pause if there's not enough time. Okay, so today we're talking about order of operations. Basically, it's just the order in which we solve our equations or our expressions. Here's two important questions that we ask ourselves when we're about to solve a problem. Is there a specific order that you're supposed to solve problems in? Shouldn't you just solve the problem from left to right like you read a book? I think you guys know the answer to this, but it is no. There is a specific order in which you are to solve problems in, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Many of you have heard of the acronym PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S. PEMDAS. This is the order in which you solve your problems in. P stands for parentheses. The E stands for exponents. The M stands for multiplication, where the D stands for division. The A stands for addition. The S stands for subtraction. Most of you know this already, but I just wanted to give you a quick reminder of that. Okay, so the best way to utilize the order of operations is to do a problem. So let's do a couple problems just for practice, just to make sure we've got this down. All right, the first problem is going to be 3 times 5 plus 2 squared plus 5 minus 3. The first thing we need to look at here is our PEMDAS. That's the first thing you should always do. PEMDAS. All right, so we first have to look for parentheses. So we look at our equation, and yes, there are parentheses. So we carry everything else down, and we solve what's in the parentheses. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so we've done our parentheses. Next is exponents. We actually do have an exponent, 2 squared. We bring down our 3 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4, so we convert that, and we bring everything else down. We've done our exponents. Next would be multiplying. Of course we have multiplying. We have 3 times 5, which would be 15, and we carry everything else down. So we've done that. There is no division, so we'll cross that out. Now all that's left is addition, so we simply just add. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 2 is 21, and we've solved the equation. Very, very simple as long as you follow these steps in order. Let's try one more, and then I think we'll be good. The last problem is 14 plus 9 times 3 times 2. Make that clearer. 3 times 2 minus 5. All right, so the first step is to write PEMDAS. So we have our PEMDAS, and we look for what's up first. We have our P, our parentheses. We do have parentheses again. So we bring down everything else. When you see 9 next to a parentheses, and there's nothing else there, this means to multiply. So we'll put a multiplication signal there. 3 times 2 is 6, and we bring the rest down. We're now done with our parentheses. Now we go to exponents. There are no exponents, so we can skip this step. We're done. Now we are at multiplication. We do have one multiplication, so we bring down 14. 9 times 6 is 54, and we subtract the 5. All right, we've done our multiplication. There is no division. All that's left is addition and subtraction. In this step, you need to go left to right. So whatever comes first, you go left to right. So 14 plus 54 is first. That would be 68, I believe. Yes. And then we subtract 5. So we get 63. All right, guys. I hope you know how to follow these steps. We'll be practicing in class. Thanks for tuning in again. I'll see you next time.